BMW 323i, we are having some problems with the battery, so we need to replace the battery. Okay. So I open the positive bolt here, and then this negative bolt here, 2 volts, and just pop this thing out. This is a distributor on the top of the battery. Usually on the normal cars there's nothing like that, but they just BMW has its own things here. Anyways, so I open the bolt positive here and negative here, and just pop this thing out. This is a distributor on the top. So I open 2 bolts here, one positive here and one negative here, and just this is a distributor on the top of the battery. You just have to pull it out. So just pull this thing out, and these 2 wires, there's a red wire here and then there's a black wire here on the distributor. So you just press it and pull this thing out here, and same thing here, the blue wire was here, and I just press this and pull this out. So both the wires out, the distributor is out. Now I'm going to pull the battery out. And before you pull the battery out, there are 2 bolts here on the side of the battery, on the right hand side and the left hand side. I'm going to loose them up here and then pull the battery out. So I just pulled this battery out. That's our old battery. And just install this battery here. So just install the new battery, put the wires back, and everything looks good.